Assalamu alaikum, my name is Muhammad Jashan and you are watching now my YouTube channel PK Skills. In this video I am going to show you how you can install WordPress in your local host. For installing WordPress, first of all you need to have a software like its name is Xamp. So in Google you just need to search for Xamp download. So when you will search for Xamp download, in first row of Google search results you will have Apache server website. Here is the apachefriends.org. so just open this website and download the latest version of Xamp. For example, here is the latest version of PHP 8.3. So I recommend you for Xamp, just download the MD5 shell version 64-bit or 34-bit. It depends upon your PC. After downloading it, I already have downloaded. So after downloading it, just install it on your PC, and then after installing you will have this kind of icon. If I show you here, this kind of icon on your sidebar. So just click here, Xamp control panel. After installing the Xamp, just double click on that, and here you will see Xamp will open in your browser. Let's open it, and here I open this. Yeah, here you can see. So first of all, after opening this, you just need to click on Apache start here and MySQL start here. So your local server will be started. Now after that you need to go to Google again, and in Google you just search for WordPress.org. Here in WordPress.org you can download WordPress latest version free of course. So just click here, get WordPress, and here you will be see latest version of WordPress 6.1 point something. So I have already downloaded it, so just click here and download this. Here download will be started, and this is saying that you already have this version, so I will not download it. Just download it and go back to your downloads and copy this file and here I will go into my documents where this is downloaded. Here you can see I have already downloaded. Just copy this file and go to your C drive. So just go to this PC and open your local drive C and search here for Xamp. So here is Xamp 2. You may have a WAMP or Xamp only, so don't worry about this too. And open htdocs, and here is htdocs, and in this htdocs you need to write the name of your folder. So I will write the name of folder, any folder. I can rename it WordPress or Udemy, or I will say just Udemy here, and this folder is saved. So just open this folder, and in this folder I am going to paste this downloaded WordPress file. So here this file has been downloaded, and just extract this file here. So this file will be extracted here, and you can simply now install WordPress in your local host. Here you can see, open this file, open this and select all, and just click here and cut this and just go back into Udemy, your folder, and paste. So all the files will be added on your main folder. So in Udemy your WordPress file are added. Now go back to your browser and search for your desired folder, localhost / Udemy, that the folder you have recently created. So just access this folder now. Here you can see the setup has been continued. So just click on continue. Now the setup is recently created. So here you can see welcome to WordPress. Before getting started you will need to know about following steps. So database name, database username. Okay, let's go. Click on let's go. Now in this step we need to have a WordPress database. So for creating database, just click here and just write localhost, and when you will write localhost, just go to PHP myadmin. Here is the PHP myadmin. In the PHP myadmin you can create your database. Here you can see the PHP myadmin is open. Just click on new in the new you can create a database. I will write the database name. You can write any name. I will just say Udemy and just click on create all. Yeah, in the database you just need to write Udemy. Database has been created successfully. And database username, just click here and write root, because the database itself username is root, so password field should be empty. In the localhost you can write also 1271 or localhost. It depends upon your you, but I recommend you to write 127.1.0. Yes, let's go. Now our setup is completed. You just need to click on submit and WordPress installation will be completed. So just I click on submit. All right, okay, run installation, and now everything is okay. WordPress is, the database is met, and yes, now you need to write the title of website. So I will write Udemy is the title of website. Username that you use for input the username as administrator for your WordPress. So I will write here Zishan, and the password I will write same, because I can remember, but you can use strong password. And here is I will write my email and just click on install WordPress. Let's see, the WordPress has been installed, and just click on login. Here I will write my username and password and just click on login. Now you can see WordPress has been installed and we are logging into the dashboard of the WordPress. Here you can see the dashboard of the WordPress, and new latest version of WordPress 6.1.1 is installed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any issue, you can comment below, or subscribe my channel for new videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.